inspection, and that goes on always.
Cabinet Minister and senior BJP leader Alexander Lalu Hek has said that the remark of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah that Meghalaya is the most corrupt state in the country cannot be considered as mere election statement as claimed recently by the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Soon after forming the MDA 2.0 government with the BJP and others, the Chief Minister had dismissed Shah's controversial remark as election hazard and said these charges are traded during elections. However, making it clear that the Union Home Minister meant business when he made the statement, Hek said the statement came from a leader who is leading the country and the party will continue to fight against corruption. When asked if the party will demand for an independent probe, he said that the demand has come from the central leadership.
Home Union Minister had said in the Tura meeting. So that is not suffice to all of us, for the people of the state. They were saying that the most corrupted, so the BJP is from beginning fighting against corruption. We will continue to fight against corruption. An election statement cannot come from the top leaders who was running the country.
So you differ with the CM about this issue?
So what? Who spoke about the corruption? Tell me or the Honourable Union Home Minister?
So you need to have an inquiry into that.
No, that has been the party has also told. This is we require.